Hey guys, welcome back for another review at BTech. Today I just received a new device, the Note 3. If you remember correctly, last time I did a review about the Onyx Note Air and I was very disappointed. So what I did is send it back and I purchased the Note 3, which arrived today. So let's open the box together and see if this one is actually more what I like. Let's start from the top and the sides. There we go. I also purchased a cover with this. There we go. I can already see the cover, I think. Okay. So this is the cover that I purchased. It looks the same as the Note Air. It has a different color. I wonder if it's the same with the pads and everything, if there are still those sticky pads. Let me see if we can see the other device. Yes, there she is. Okay. So this is the Note 3 and this is the cover. So let's start with the Note 3. I'm going to open it gently from below. I'm having a little bit more difficult than last time. I try not to damage the box in case I need to bring it back. I hope not. Come on, is this really? Okay. We are getting through. Okay. So it looks exactly the same box as the Note Air and the Note Lumi, which I also purchased. So let's open it in the same way as we did before. Remember, from the top we can push it through normally. Today it's not my day, it seems. Come on, why is it not coming out? Is it stuck somewhere? It's more difficult than last time. It's open on this side. It's open on this side. And both sides. So why is it not coming through? Come on. I'm not able to open it. Come on, you must be joking. There is nothing holding it back, so it must be some kind of stress, pressure. My God, really? Oh my God. What did they do with this? Honestly, this one is really difficult to open. Come on. Really? that can be so difficult. And normally it's just a sleeve. Let me show you. This is the same box, but from the Max Lumi. As you can see, it's way bigger. But as you can see from below, it just opens. So it's some kind of sleeve. So why is the boox Note 3 not moving in its sleeve? Oh my god, I'm really pulling hard here to try to open it. I don't know, it feels like it's stuck. I don't feel anything from the sides. Let's try on this side. No, it's completely open. Completely open. Must be stuck somewhere. Nothing. And on the other side, I do feel a little bit of pressure, but it's not what's blocking this. Let's try again. Oh my god. You see this? It's coming off. Ah, finally. Wow. It was much more difficult than last time. Than with the Note Air and the Note Lumi. So we have the same kind of box. We had on the back here the specifications. Basically it's almost the same specifications as the Note Lumi. We do have now a smaller screen, but for the rest it's all the same specifications. I think maybe the battery might be a little bit different. Let me check this. So the battery, not even that, it's exactly the same battery. So the Note Max, so the Max Lumi and the Note 3 seem to have the same amount of battery, which theoretically should give some advantage at the boox Note 3. It should hold longer than the Max Lumi. And something that's also different is the pixels per inch. We have 227 here, and on the Max Lumi it's 207 pixels per inch. So the resolution is higher on the Note 3. Let me see. The weight would be 378 grams. And the Max Lumi has 570. So yeah, that's 200 grams of difference. That's a lot. That's 30% lighter. I hope it's really lighter, because this was one of the reasons that I sent my Note Air back. I felt it to be too heavy. It was too heavy for me to hold a whole day long. So let's open it. Here we go. Can you still see this? I hope. Let me turn this. So this was the box. Okay, here we have a screen protector. One of my nightmares. I'm never able to put this on, but we have at least one screen protector with a punch hole, like you can see here. Yeah, that's one of the differences between the Note 3 and the Note Air, is that you have a fingerprint reader here. And it's less heavy, and it has a better battery, and it has better storage speed. I think it was eMMC, and this one is, let me check, I think it's UFS. It's not even written on the box, but I know it's UFS 2.1, which is much faster. So here it is. It feels much lighter than the Note Air. It's really a big difference. I can feel it already. This one is acceptable. I like this weight. What else did we receive? The same as usual. Huh? So here we see that we have the USB-C adapter for a micro SD slot, and we have the pen. Let's open it to see what kind of pen they give with this one. So this is the USB-C to USB-A charger. And now the pen. It must be very light because I don't even feel it. It's the same pen as the Max Lumi. You have the button, you have the holder, you have the eraser, and the pen nib, which gives a little bit away. Yeah. Okay, then we have another box. Let's see what's this one. It's the same, it's the instructions. Really slow, really not a lot. So you get a small booklet with 1 page per language to describe what you have on this. I think one of the differences between the boox Note 3 and the Max Lumi is that you don't have an HDMI port on this one. But that doesn't mean that you cannot use it as a secondary screen. There is software that allows you to use it as a secondary screen. So if you want more information about this, I can write it in the notes in the description of the video. So let's remove this box and start really unpacking the Note 3. There is also a little difference here. The plastic on top of it has an engraving of the boox Note series. That's nice. Okay, let's open it. And remove from the sleeve. The back is exactly the same as the Max Lumi. It has some green tint in it. It feels nice, matte. We have 2 speakers. That's one more than with the Note Air. So we have stereo. You saw my fingerprint, but it went away. So yeah, I'm not sure if this will be fingerprint proof or not. And then we have the engraving here of the device, which is really nice. You don't feel it. I'm not sure, I don't think it's a sticker or something. And here I think we have the MAC address. On the top we have the power button, which is much better than with the Note. With the Note they put it on the side. It was really annoying because when you were holding it, you accidentally pressed it and it went into standby. Oh, it's way less heavy. I really like this one. Okay, this is something new. Can you see this at the bottom? There are 2, I think. I thought it was slits, but no, it's actually Torx screws. I don't know if you can see it. So this hole, I don't know if I can, let me see if I can zoom a little bit on it. There we go. You see, it's a Torx screw. And we have a second one on this side. And then we have the USB-C to charge or to use with the USB-C adapter. Well, actually, where is she? There is no adapter. So this on the box. This was not for the adapter, it was actually for the charging cable and the pen. Let me show you this with the one that I received from the Max Lumi. You see here you had 3 devices in the box. The last one was the adapter, and it's not given with the Note 3. So that's also a difference. No HDMI and no USB-C to macro SD adapter. Okay. I think we are ready to turn it on. So here we have the fingerprint reader. It's, yeah, nice. You feel that there is a little bit more weight at the bottom, but not a lot, really not a lot. And I prefer the weight below than somewhere at the side like the Note Air, because then you really feel it in your hands. And this one, really it feels light. I like it. I think I will be using this one more than the Max Lumi. So, as we can see, we have the default shell design with here at the bottom power off. So let's try it on and turn it on. There was nothing else that I should show you. Yeah, I think there was one other difference. Here you have a microphone, one. And on the Max Lumi there was a secondary microphone at the top, which we don't have on this one. So there is only one microphone.